right, you guys, today we are on chapter 5 of The Magic Treehouse Pirates Past Noon, written by Mary Pope Osborne. And we are reading today right after Jack has been grabbed by Captain Bones. So let's go ahead and get started. Chapter 5 is called The Kid's Treasure. Jack and Annie watched in horror. The gold-greedy pirates seemed to have lost their minds. Jack nudged Annie. Together they started to back slowly away from the pirates toward the treehouse. "Halt!" Captain Bones shouted. He aimed his pistols at them. "Not another step, lubbers!" Jack and Annie froze. Captain Bones grinned with his black-toothed grin. "Tell old Bones where the rest is," he growled. "Or prepare to meet thy doom." "What rest?" said Annie. "The rest of the treasure," roared Captain Bones. "I know it's on this island. I have a map." He reached into a belt pouch and pulled out a torn piece of paper. He waved it at Jack and Annie. Is that a treasure map?" asked Jack. "Aye, is the map telling about kids' treasure." "Which kid's treasure?" "Not us kids," said Annie. "We don't know anything about a kid's treasure." "Why don't you read the map?" said Jack. "You read it." Captain Bones shoved the map in Jack's face. Jack stared at the strange marks on the paper. "What does that mean?" asked Jack. "What does what mean?" asked Captain Bones. "Those words." Jack pointed at the words at the bottom of the map. "Well, it means—" Captain Bones' good eyes squinted at the writing. He frowned. He coughed. He rubbed his nose. "Aw, leave him alone," Pinky growled at Jack. "You know he can't read," said Stinky. "Shut up," Captain Bones roared at his men. "Jack and I can read," Annie piped up. "Shh," said Jack. "Captain, make 'em read the map," said Stinky. Captain Bones gave Jack and Annie a dark look. "Read it," he growled. So I'm going to stop right there really quickly. And Captain Bones has a problem. His problem is that he doesn't know how to read. So he has a map to find the treasure, but he does not know how to read. So now he is having Jack and Annie read it. So he says, "Read it." "Then will you let us go?" said Jack. The pirate squinted his good eye. "Aye, lubber, when the treasure's in me hands, I'll let you go." "Okay," said Jack. "I'll read it to you." He looked at the map. It says, "The gold doth lie beneath the whale's eye." "Huh?" Captain Bones scowled. "What's that supposed to mean, lubber?" Jack shrugged. "Hang it! Take 'em half to the ship!" shouted Captain Bones. "They can rot there till they're ready to tell us how to find kids' treasure." Jack and Annie were tossed into the rowboat. Waves splashed the sides. The sky ahead was dark with thunderclouds. A strong wind had started to blow. "Row, dogs, row," said Captain Bones. Here's the illustration of the map. And it says, "The gold doth lie beneath the whale's eye." Pinky and Stinky began rowing toward the big ship. "Look," Annie said to Jack. She pointed to the shore. Polly the parrot was flying over the sand. "She wants to help us," whispered Annie. Polly started to fly out over the waves, but the winds were too strong. She turned around and flew back to the island. And that is the end of chapter 5. So we realize that Captain Bones has a problem. He has a map to find this kid's treasure, but he can't read it. And now that he can, he assumes that Jack and Annie know where the treasure is at. And somebody had predicted that Jack and Annie would get kidnapped and put in their boat back on the pirate ship, and it looks like that's exactly what's happening. So great job to whoever made that prediction. Now for chapter 5, I will be putting a trivia question on our Class Dojo page. Remember, once you have listened to the chapter and you know the answer, send me the correct response and I will give you 5 dojo points.